If you're trying to save money or just don't want to watch YouTube TV anymore, cancelling your subscription only takes a few steps, but the menu can be a little confusing if you've never done it before. So guys, here's our YouTube TV. I tried actually logging in, but it's unavailable in my country, so I'm just going to show you anyway how to cancel it. So you just go to tvyoutube.com. You can also sign in with your account. It's the same account that you are using for Google and YouTube, usual YouTube, not the TV version. And then guys, as you can see, as said in this little tutorial that we have from Google, to cancel your membership, you go to the website, which is right over here. Then you go sign in, right over here, just sign in. And then you go to settings, and then you go to memberships, manage and cancel memberships. So as you can see, you go here at tvyoutube.com, settings, subscriptions, and then as you can see, we have the YouTube TV, and then you go pause or cancel membership. Just press on this button. Then in there you confirm, and effectively your subscription will be cancelled. And in the next billing period, as you can see, there's also an amount, not a small one also. You will not be billed the next day of the month when you're supposed to be billed, and your membership is now cancelled. So pretty easy guys, only a few clicks away and your membership is now cancelled. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and see you soon guys.